Welcome, today in front of me INFINIX Hot 11s, and I'll show you how to customize Always On Display feature on this device. So first let's just once again open the Muviz application. So now we have selected this temp. For example, let's use the first one. For example, tap here to apply. We can change here the temp backgrounds. For example, I can go with this one. Just tap to apply. We can just change the music controls. We can hide them after 10 seconds, or just to don't hide them. We can turn on to show the incoming notifications from any app, just to show the date status and the battery status always while device charging, or just to don't show it. Let's just tap here on this X icon. And now let's switch AID to the settings section. Just select here Always On Display, and just we can see here that we can switch to show Always On Display feature on the lock screen always while device charging, or when we'll play the music. We can use these two features together or separately. We can also switch screen timeout from 1 minute just to never. We can decrease or increase the brightness level, and we can turn on close the AID by double or by single tap on the home screen. And if you, for example, set up the fingerprint unlock on your device, you can close also your AID with the fingerprint, or you can also set the shadow. You can select the start and the end time of the Always On Display. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.